Finding the right business to trust is easy when you know what questions to ask and, more importantly, what to watch out for. We've researched this year's best and worst companies to find you the area's #1 trusted source. We'll even share with you the biggest secret industry experts don't want you to know. Get ready for some great pointers and tips you won't want to miss.
There are a few key things you should always look at when selecting a provider. First, always take the time to actually look into the company you are thinking about hiring. Do they have a good reputation on websites such as Google, Facebook, and other review sites? Second, what type of protection as a buyer do they offer you? Is there any sort of guarantee, warranty, or refund policy? If so, what is it? And third, be sure to consider your options and do your best to fully understand what you will be spending money on. You should never shop based on price alone.
Now, we did mention that we would be discussing the biggest secret that industry experts don't want you to know.
When it comes to auto glass repair, most people want to know how long does it take? And second, if we are a mobile company and can come to them. We believe in convenience and quality work, so we always go to our customers to ensure no more unneeded interruptions in their day. We can service you at home, your business, or at the grocery store. Our typical installation takes only 1 hour or less. You should always work with a company who provides high-quality glass that meets OE standards and is the same quality of work as your original windshield. A lot of shops will offer you a low quality of glass that is mass-produced and doesn't last nearly as long as an affordable quality that is a higher standard. We believe in quality, and you should always work with a business who has your best interests in mind and also offers great prices. Be aware of the run-of-the-mill companies offering you an extremely low price. These can be scams offering you used glass and no protection. At A Little Glass, we offer a lifetime warranty on any leaks or installation flaws. Price is typically affected by the quality of the glass and the installation. Always be sure to ask plenty of questions to understand your options.
It's hard to find a reliable specialist these days who really knows their stuff. But with the right information, the decision is easy. Did you like what you saw today? Want more information? Contact your local expert with the number on your screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching another episode of Insider Local TV.